Hi guys, been doing a bit of 3D printing again. Picked up this flexible tripod in a charity shop quite a long time ago. It's quite nice. It's better quality than some of the really cheap ones that I've got that the legs break off quite easily. This one's survived for a while anyway. One thing I like about it is it's got a quick detachable camera mount, I suppose you call it. This is the one that's supposed to be in there. So it's got a nice little screw fitting. And that's one of my action camera mounts. And I was wanting to use it, and I didn't want to bother taking that off because that's quite handy like that for quick jobs where I want to stick an action camera on and mount it on an awkward position. So I thought, if I want to put my camera on there, why don't I 3D print a suitable mount? So that was my test piece, just to check that it fits in. And then I extended it by adding a clip that will clip over my phone, so I can fit that in quickly too. And that's really handy. I've just used it on videoing a rubber band powered car. I'll see if I can pinch my wife's camera and put it in there because it's identical, just so we can see a camera in there. Right, here we are. My wife's phone is identical to mine. It's in the same protective case because this allows for the protective case. So we can either slide it in, or you could actually clip it in one go, but sliding it in is better. And there we go. So it allows for that, that's a little stand for the case. So I made it flexible enough to actually allow for that to go in place. That will be no use to anybody else unless they happen to have exactly the same tripod and also a Samsung Galaxy A51 5G with that particular make of protective case on it. So it's really not worth me making the 3D file available to anybody, but I just thought I'd show it because I'm quite pleased with that, especially the quick release bit. That's lovely. Right, I'll give my wife back her phone now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.